English to Urdu sentences for Ramadan. Part 2. 1. Will you observe a fast tomorrow? 2. Wake up for pre-dawn meal. 3. It was getting prayer call early morning. 4. The time of seri is taking away. 5. What is cooked in iftar? 6. What would you like in seri? 7. I want to eat biryani in seri. 8. How many hours are in fast? 9. How was the experience of fast? 10. How are you going with fasts in summer? 11. Fast has been ended. 12. Fast must have been ended. 13. I felt hunger and I ate food. 14. I felt thirst and I drank water. 15. Forgetting doesn't break fast. 16. Allah Almighty forgives the forgiving person. 17. I will not keep fast today. 18. Allah Almighty will reward the reward of fasting. 19. How many rakats are in brief salah? 20. One should not sleep instantly after observing fast. 21. Get up. The time is ticking away. 22. I am fasting. 23. I am reciting Quran. 24. When will the fast stop? 25. Get up. Time is taking. 26. Kindly bring iftari package while going to bazaar. 27. What time is it in iftar? 28. Today was a fast. 29. I was feeling thirsty today. 30. The fast was very pleasant. 31. Enjoyed iftar today. 32. Today is the iftar party. 33. The fast has broken. 34. When will the fast be broken? 35. What is the prayer for breaking the fast? 36. Remember the prayer for breaking the fast. 37. How many hours will the fast be? 38. I have broken my fast. 39. Forgetful eating does not break the fast. 40. There is a special reward from Allah for those who fast. 41. Fasting is good for health. 42. How many fasts have you observing? 43. So, what would you like? 44. That's perfect if we get to your quality dates.